the worksheets, children. Do this in your book and your copy. Take it down. Kannada, Bengaluru. Gujarati, Ahmedabad. Okay, like Kannada is spoken in Bengaluru. Bengaluru में कौन सा भाषा बोलते हैं? कन्नड़ा बोलते हैं. अहमदाबाद में कौन सा भाषा बोलते हैं? गुजराती बोलते हैं. Yes. Now, Biriware, Guwahati. Biriware is not Guwahati. Sorry, children, this is wrong. Cane and bamboo works are in Guwahati. Biriware is not in Guwahati. It is, I think, it is in. It must be in Hyderabad. Where is it? Biriware. Either it can be in Chandigarh में नहीं होगा. Biriware. Yes, Biriware is in this one, Hyderabad. Yes, I told you Hyderabad. So here it is not Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad. Hyder. Hyderabad. Okay, it's Hyderabad. You have Biriware, and this cane and bamboo works you have in Guwahati. Bada Ambara, that is in Lucknow. Taj Masjid, that is in Taj Masjid. You see Taj Masjid, that is in Bhopal. Okay, it's not in Agra, it's in Bhopal. It's in Bhopal. Okay, Biriware is in Hyderabad. Cane and bamboo works are in Guwahati. Bada Ambara is in Lucknow. Taj Masjid is in Bhopal. Dhokla is the food of Gujarat. Biryani is the food of Hyderabad. Bihu is the dance of Assam. And Uttarayan is the kite festival is in Gujarat. Did you all understand, children? Now, mark the following sentence as true and false, correct ones. Lal Bagh is well-known park in Bhopal. No, false. It is in Bengaluru. It is in Bengaluru. You have to write the answer here. Write the answer. Malayalam is the main language spoken in Hyderabad. No, Malayalam is the language spoken in Hyderabad. में language क्या है? Telugu. Telugu is spoken in Hyderabad. Not Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Hyderabad is Telugu. Then Khubani Ka Meetha is the festival celebrated in Lucknow. It is false. Khubani Ka Meetha is in Hyderabad, isn't it? Celebrated in Lucknow. What do you celebrate in Lucknow? Lucknow में क्या celebration होता है? Lucknow में देखो, what is the celebration? Lucknow is one of the thing. Kathak. And no celebration here spoken, eaten food, dance. का कबाब, गुल वक्त का कबाब is the famous here. Lucknow में there is no celebration at all. I don't know. They are not given. Khubani Ka Meetha festival celebrated in Lucknow. Khubani Ka Meetha is in Hyderabad. Okay, Khubani Ka Meetha is in Hyderabad, isn't it? Yes, Khubani Ka Meetha is in Hyderabad, not in Lucknow. So it is false. Now, Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat. Yes, true. Lucknow is located on the bank of river Brahmaputra. No, false. It is Gomti. Gomti. And this one is Khubani Ka Meetha is not the festival. It is the food of Hyderabad. Did you understand? Now here, Cubbon Park is situated in Bengaluru. Dhokla is popular in Ahmedabad. Gujarat में ढोकला होता है इसलिए Ahmedabad. This is one of the best planned city, Chandigarh. The Kamakha temple is in Assam, Guwahati. Yes. The main language spoken in Bhopal is There's no Bhopali, so you can write Hindi. Okay, now question answers I'm giving you. Okay children, thank you. Hope you understood the lesson and you enjoyed it. Thank you.